Hey guys, here I am again. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track unit out of a 70 Challenger. This comes from my friends at Warman's Classic Cars in Portland, Tennessee. Warman's has requested a modern internal FM conversion wired to the original connectors, which means we don't get the increase in output power, but it plugs right back in and works with your existing speaker system. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We think we got a baseball game going on. And we'll start. There we go.
That's high, ball 3.
Okay, so we know what the baseball game sounds like. So let's go to, you know what, while we're on here, let's go ahead and make sure our speaker balance control works. Balance right, balance left,
right,
right, left,
lefty at the plate that struggles hitting
righty,
lefty.
check our tone.
A 3-1 count. You throw something to see if he'll chase it.
Okay, let's go ahead and switch to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. And I'm just going to run through all the station presets. I've got them all set to stations in my area.
Joan has decided to get second. There's a thought of you. My wedded years, we see Adrian and Mason that you should be that are already yours.
Okay, so those are all FM stations. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track function. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Alrighty, pull on the eject plunger, tape ejects, radio comes back. Now you'll notice that I've got the 8-track quite a bit louder than the radio, and that's because this makes the 8-track sound brighter. When I can crank my preamp up pretty high, it makes the 8-track sound much better. So it's a small inconvenience to turn the volume down a bit when you put an 8-track in to recover all that lost treble that happens over the years as 8-tracks wear. So let's make sure the dial light still works. Just give that a quick little test. And yep, I can see that flashing on and off in response to my connecting and disconnecting it. So she's ready to go, and I'm ready to take the day off. Incidentally, the faceplate, the customer probably sent the faceplate off for rechroming. That would explain why the faceplate's missing. That's very common. And so, alrighty, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My website's in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because now there's like 12 different options for fixing the radio. It's become a lot more complicated, so it's really good to kind of review my catalog before calling me. And thanks so much for doing that in advance. And thank you, my friends at Warman's Classic Cars in Portland, Tennessee, for your business. And we'll see you guys next time.